Hello everyone and welcome. Today we have this Mini Cooper S with us. It's finished in a beautiful shade of red and sporty black stripes. So we are going to be doing some repainting work on this car and rectifying some issues. Plus we are going to be giving it one round of our ceramic coating treatment plus a complete interior cleaning. Upon inspecting the car, we found some issues in the paint work. So the wheel arches have been repaired before, but the bottom base work is having issues. So we are going to be scraping all the claddings down along the full car, and we are going to be respraying it all over again in satin black. So now we see on one more cladding, all the paint is coming off. This problem is happening because of the improper primer which was done before. So we are going to be scraping this entire cladding down on the whole car. We are going to be applying a proper first quality primer and respraying it with satin black. So here we have an update on the Mini Cooper. So this is the painting in progress. We have removed the front bumper to do all the alignment and setting and the tinkering. So all the claddings along the door and the running board has also been removed to access all the areas. We have also taken off the back bumper to do a proper setting. These are the wheel arch claddings which have now been repaired and will now be going in for the painting. This is the front bumper. We have done all the tinkering plus primer has been applied. The base, which is red, and also clear coat is applied. So the next step, we will be going ahead for one round of the sanding and polishing and then fitting back. We have the rear bumper here. This has also been repaired, primered, painted, ready for fitment and polishing. This is the running board. This has been removed from the car for easier access. All the scratches have been repaired. Now we are going to primer it and then paint it. This is the skirting under the front bumper. There's a lot of scratches and a lot of work has to be done. So next step is primer and then again painting. This is the back bumper skirt. We've completed all our work, all the repainting, plus we've given the Mini Cooper a round of detailing and the ceramic coating. So now it's ready for delivery. In the previous part of the video I had shown you this wheel arch had a lot of damage, plus the base work was not done properly. So the entire thing has been scraped down and repaired and repainted. This problem also has been rectified. We scraped it down, put a good quality primer and a good quality paint. Plus this along the running board also, there's no more peel off and everything is back to new.
Hey, that's pretty good.